Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves here again. So as you can see, today I'm going to show you how I make my own polygel from the scratch. So to start, you are going to need some UV gel, and I have this UV gel I got from AliExpress. You are also going to need some acrylic powder, and as you can see here, this acrylic powder has been mixed with some glitter because I want the glitter effect. Also, I'm going to use a little bit of a brown acrylic powder because I want the natural looking effect, so I will tint it with a little bit of some brown powder. Now I'm going to get a container and come in with a little bit of my clear gel. I'll then come in with some of the powdered acrylic. Now I must say, you do not have to worry when you're doing this. You don't have to worry about the quantity. If it's too thick, you just add more of the gel, and if it's too thin, you just add more of the acrylic powder. So don't worry about the measurements. Now I'm gonna come in with my brown acrylic powder, and as you can see, I'll use just a little bit. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna mix. I'll mix it up till everything mixes up evenly. Now I must say, doing your own polygel helps you to customize the colors you want. Sometimes you want a particular color, or you want an added something, but you can't get it on the market. But if you do it yourself, you can choose to add or subtract whatever you want. So I've been mixing for about a minute and a half, and as you can see, our polygel is ready. I love the consistency. I must say, it is easier to work with when it's a little bit thicker. Don't you just love the color? I love the natural looking color with the glitters inside. I love this customization, and I don't think I could have gotten this anywhere on the internet. So now let's just try it. I'll take a little bit and put it in my dual form. And using my brush, I'll just shape it up. Now afterwards, I'll leave it to cure in a UV LED lamp for about 120 seconds. So after curing it, this is what we have here, and I'm just gonna flip it out of the dual form. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, we made our first ever customized polygel. Now I'll file the size a little bit and shape it up. Afterwards, I will come in with my top coat, and voila, here we are. I'm loving this color, and I cannot wait to try it on my nails. So this is it, guys. I hope you are gonna give it a try. If you've got some acrylic powder and some polygel sitting on your decks for so many years, you could just mix it up and experiment. So I hope you are really gonna give it a try. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.